Welcome back to another episode of Mr. J's Workshop. This workshop is going to be on the 701, just an update, but I want to take time to remind all of you we're having a runner workshop here at Bernie Stage Airport the 23rd and the 24th of February this month. I mean, not this month, next month. It's filling up fast. We're getting a lot of calls. Take the time and join us out here. Call Zenith and get an appointment to be part of the workshop. We had such a great workshop last year. It was a big turnout. Uh, you got to come out to see it. This year we have a couple Zenith here at the airport. Bill Fay with the Joker, he's here. We have a new member. He's right next to our hangar here. It's Stan Smith. He has a Zenith Cruiser with the Viking engine in it, and we took the time when he brought it over, put the wings on, and now he's buttoning it up. It's a beautiful aircraft. He has a beautiful panel. You come out and check it out, and you can check out our project 701. I hate to say we're not that far along, but we're moving. We're moving slow, but one step at a time, get her done. What we got done so far on the 701, we're still buttoning up the engine. We opt out on the oil lines that came with the kit. We weren't really comfortable with the oil lines. They would have been sufficient to do the job, but we went out and splurged the extra cash on the aircraft specialty oil lines. And actually, they took the time to do a FaceTime call with us and help us figure out the lengths we need and how to figure it out. They were really, really helpful on us getting this done. So we got the oil lines in, we got some of the electrical components in. I'm still working on the fuel lines. I started working on the panel. So we're going to actually be cutting the panel out. I'm hoping to do a little bit more videos on that and show you how I do instrument panels here in the shop and how I do the engraving, the placards, and labeling. I'm really excited about this is our panel instead of doing everybody else's panel. I got involved with 3D printing, so I've been 3D printing all types of prototype stuff for the 701, and we'll share a little bit what we're doing there. But this is just an update to show you where we're at and what's coming up. So take the time, mark your calendars, come on out. We could talk. We could show you, and you'll have a better idea what it's all about. The Zenith Workshop, the 23rd to 24th of February. Come on out. Look forward to meeting you. Well, that's a wrap for this video. We'll see you next time. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Comment below. I'm open to all your ideas. All right, take care and have a great day.